Today I'll be showing you an insanely cheap option strategy that can yield you hundreds of percents on returns. The one I'm going to show you today yields about 280% on returns, and so you're going to want to do this with a stock that doesn't move all that much. If we look at AT&T here, it moves, just a couple quarters over time. If we go to the 1 month, you see it's at 28.97, only drops down to about 27.53, so it doesn't move all that much besides this drop here, but besides that it's pretty stagnant. And so we're going to go over here and I'm going to show you the strategy. It's called the Christmas tree spread with puts. So you're going to go to, let's see, where's the share price? Okay, here's the share price. So first off, you're going to want to sell a put at the price that you think AT&T will stay around on August 13th. And it's August 8th when I'm recording this. So for this example, I'm just going to say that I think AT&T will be around $28.50. So we're going to sell a put here. And we're actually going to sell 3, but I'll show you how to customize that in a minute. And then you're going to want to go and buy a put that is directly underneath it, the one that we sold. So we're going to click this one right here. And so that's the $28 strike price. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to buy 2 of these puts, and I'll show you how to customize that again later. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go to the put you sold, and you're going to go up 1, and you're going to go up again, and then this is the one that you're going to buy as well. So if you look over here, you see that it's going to look really confusing, and it's going to not look right at all. This is not what a Christmas tree should look like at all. And so what you do is you come up here, and you click this drop down arrow, and you're going to click from normal, you're going to click on custom. And so we're going to go to this first part. We're going to go to the 28.50. We're selling 3 of these. So the 28.50 put that we're selling, so we're going to switch that to 3. You'll see it looks a little bit better now. You'll see that. You see the max loss is a lot, and we want to limit the max loss at all times because it just makes it a lot easier for us to manage, and just better to minimize your max losses. And then we're going to go over to the buy put right here that we talked about that we're going to buy 2 of. So let's find that one right here, the $28 put that we're buying, and we're going to switch this to 2. So when you do this right, it should be 3, 2, 1. If you put it in the proper order that I showed you, you're going to sell 3 of these, and that's why this number is at the top. And then you're going to buy 2 of these puts directly below, and that's why this will come in at second place. And then you're going to buy another put, 1 above the sell, and then 1 above that, so 2 above the sell. And then that's why that comes in at third. So if you put it in the right order, it should just be in this column. It should go in the order that you chose these options in. So you should be able to just do 3, 2, 1, and it should look something like this. And so the max loss here is the negative $26 that we'll spend to enter this option. But once we start hitting the 28.14 mark, we're going to be in the green, and then all the way up until the 29.23 mark. And then you'll see at 28.50 is our max profit because that's what we sold 3 of. So that's where the center is going to be. So you want to sell right around where you think it's going to be on the expiration date. So, but you can see here when it hits the $20 point right here, which is the one we bought, that's where your max loss begins. Same with the 29.50, which is right here. And so the max loss is only $26 because that's what we spent to set this option in place. But you can see the profit is a pretty wide margin, 29.24 all the way to 28.13. That's over $1. And if you look at AT&T, it doesn't move very much. I mean, this August 13th is only 5 days away from me on August 8th. Is when I'm filming this. So you see it only moves, a couple of dimes. It doesn't move that much. And so this is a pretty decent option to start. It is called the Christmas tree if you want to research more. But that is how you set that up. And if you have any questions, make sure to comment, and I'll be sure to answer all the comments. But thank you.